India is on a mission to become a Viksit Bharat by 2047, a nation where innovation drives growth, opportunity empowers every citizen, and technology bridges every gap. It's a future where progress is inclusive, sustainable, and proudly made in India. Driving this transformation are India's visionary business leaders of homegrown enterprises who are redefining innovation, inclusion, and growth. From technology to sustainability, from local impact to global reach, they are the visionaries of a Viksit Bharat. TV9 Network, in association with SAP, presents Visionaries of Viksit Bharat, celebrating the minds shaping our nation's future. In this episode, we feature Chandrasekharan V.T, Chairman and MD of Emerald Tyre Manufacturers Limited, a visionary leader and entrepreneur driving India's industrial and off-highway tire industry to global prominence. Founded in 2002 in Chennai, Emerald Tyre Manufacturers has grown into a leading manufacturer and exporter of customized industrial tires, serving sectors such as material handling, mining, ports, airport ground support, and agriculture. Meet the leader redefining industrial mobility, delivering application-based solutions, world-class quality, and technology-driven growth, powering India's vision of self-reliance, industrial excellence, and global competitiveness.
You are watching Visionaries of Viksit Bharat. I am Krishna Kumar and we are in conversation with Mr. V.T. Chandrasekharan, Chairman and Managing Director of Emerald Tyre Manufacturers Limited. Mr. Chandrasekharan, thank you so much for taking time out to be with us here on Visionaries of Viksit Bharat. Mr. Chandrasekharan, you've been associated with the Emerald Tyre Manufacturers Limited for more than 20 years now. Tell us about your journey from Director to Chairman and Managing Director.
It's been wonderful in the past 23 years since we started in 2002. It's been a dream run for us. When we started, it was just an import substitute as we started this innings. As we moved by, we realized that there's a great potential in this business. Not only that we can make it big in India, we can also export it to various countries around the world. And that is how in the first few months we realized that there's a great potential here, and the best thing was that we had a team in place and the team took us through to where we are today. I did start as a director, but then I also did all jobs in the plant, starting from being a shop floor manager, acting as a shop floor manager. I was the director, but I was also the shop floor manager from there on to becoming a director and the CMD now. It's been fascinating.
Now, Emerald Tyre has grown from being a niche player to now a global player. Talk to us about the key milestones and innovations that have shaped Emerald Tyre's journey.
Prior to Emerald Tyres getting into this business, this was more or less a cottage industry. People were importing tires and most of the industries here were substituting imports happening. But then when we started, in the very first year, we made our exports to Singapore, and from there on, we realized that we have the potential, the quality of the product is good enough to be international, and we tried every bit to be a global player since then on. Our competition is predominantly from the European market. Most of the manufacturers are from Europe, and we try to position ourselves in competition to this European brands, and we have been fairly successful. Anything to do with industrial tires, anything to do with logistics is something which we have championed, and we know that we can match the best in the market.
Chandrasekharan, tell us, what inspired you to use green technology in manufacturing tires, and also tell us how do you keep sustainability at the core of your operations?
Emerald in itself is green, so that is what the idea was, that we wanted to be a greener company in a black world. Tires are black. It's a consumable. It's a product which you use every day, and how can you be green? So the efforts have always been to reuse, recycle, and make things better. So that's been the core of our business. We have tried to make better products using I wouldn't say that the product is only about recycled material, but it's a combination of recycled material and the best of the things available in the market.
How do you balance global demand for the most advanced tire technology with local needs and regulations? Also, talk to us about how all of what you do aligns with Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives.
See, in 2003 when we started, this business was more towards exports. Countries, in developed countries, you don't have people, where we are associated is with the logistics business. Anything to move things, to move goods, to move machines, our tires go into such kind of equipments. So when we started in 2003, the market was predominantly Europe, US, and most of the developed countries. So when we started, this was the idea, and there were some large companies in India who were using material handling equipments, and we were doing tires for them. So this was how we started. But having said that, India is also a growing market. 2002, probably we would do about 5-10 lakhs of turnover every month. And today, India is such a huge market. And it's not even started. It's not even the tip of the iceberg which we have seen in India. A lot of material handling has to happen. You see more logistics companies coming in, more deliveries happening. This industry in India will also grow. Make in India for the world has been there right from the beginning with us, and Atmanirbhar for sure. We are there. Anyone who is going to manufacture material handling products in India, we have got a solution for them right away and to the international standards.
Now, the global tire industry is adopting both artificial intelligence or AI and automation. Tell us how exactly is Emerald Tyre Manufacturers Limited and its workforce adapting to all kinds of emerging cutting-edge technologies, including AI?
AI in itself is a new thing and it's picking up. So we are also running behind it. It's been, so what we have done in the recent past is we have asked all our employees to get fully involved in it. Most of the senior management is involved in finding out new ways of adapting newer technology. Robotics is something which we are fully entrenched into. It's not only about, we are predominantly a labor-intensive company. We see a lot of people moving from doing hard jobs to getting into softer, easier ways of living. So when that happens, obviously we have to go for a lot of automation, we have to go for a lot of robotics, and in that AI is embedded. So decision making, if you look at non-manufacturing activities, there are a lot of AI which we are already taking up, accounting, doing mundane jobs, AI is already taking over. But at the factory level, we are yet to get started, and we are looking at a lot of things which can be done using AI.
With India aiming for a Viksit Bharat 2047, tell us, in your view, how crucial do you think the contribution of the tire industry and the automotive industry is going to be? And more importantly, how do you see technology driving these industries?
In terms of tire technology per se, we are on par with any of the global tire manufacturers. There was a time when we started in 2003, people would want us to put Made in India where it is not visible, and today, thanks to the Prime Minister's initiatives, wherever we go, people talk about, can you put Made in India bolder? And that's something which has changed and I have seen for myself in the last 23 years, the acceptance of Indian products going up dramatically. And within India also, I think the country is in a boom, and the tire industry will grow in leaps and bounds, and we are there in it.
And with that, it's a wrap here on this conversation. Mr. Chandrasekharan, thank you so much for taking time out to be with us here on Visionaries of Viksit Bharat.
This is yet another inspiring story of vision and execution, showcasing how entrepreneurial foresight and technical innovation are strengthening India's manufacturing ecosystem and building a Viksit Bharat 2047. Next, meet Murugavel Janaki Raman, founder and CEO of Matrimony.com Limited, India's online matchmaking pioneer, expanding the wedding ecosystem globally while blending technology, innovation, and customer-first solutions.